The U.S. Supreme Court is taking on a wide range of issues in its new term that could have a major impact on politics and business. Here are three big cases to watch on the High Court's docket. Number one, Spokio Inc. versus Robbins could help decide the future of class action lawsuits. The case involves a California man, Thomas Robbins, and Spokio, a website that posts information about individuals based on things like public records and social media sites. Robbins claims that Spokio listed false information about his background and therefore hurt his employment prospects, causing him anxiety, stress, and concern. And the suit doesn't stop there. It's seeking class action status. Spokio argues that Mr. Robbins didn't suffer injury since the website listed him as wealthier and better educated than he really is. If the court sides with Mr. Robbins, it could make it easier for plaintiffs to bring class action lawsuits against internet companies. It's so important that tech giants eBay, Facebook, Google, and Yahoo have filed a brief in support of Spokio. The court will also hear arguments in class action lawsuits that involve DirecTV and Tyson Foods. Number two, Friedrichs versus California Teachers Association could deal a major blow to unions. Here's why. Teachers in California are objecting to so-called fair share fees that they are required to pay the California Teachers Association. The CTA, a union, says that the fees are used to collectively bargain things like salaries and benefits, which help all of the teachers in the state. But the teachers challenging the union say that collective bargaining is political speech, and therefore the mandatory fees force teachers to speak and associate against their will, a violation of their First Amendment rights. According to Wall Street Journal Supreme Court reporter Jess Braven, the case could change the course of established law, and a victory for the teachers could undermine the power of public employee unions across the country. Number three, Evenwell versus Abbott could alter the way a majority of state legislative districts are drawn. The case is centered around a principle known as one person, one vote. Texas conservatives are arguing that legislative districts should not be drawn on the basis of people in each district, but based on the number of citizens. Some legal analysts say that that would hurt urban areas with greater numbers of children and non-citizens, thereby giving more clout to rural Republican areas. The Supreme Court will also hear cases on the death penalty, abortion rights, and affirmative action. Decisions are expected by the end of June 2016.